My plumber cut open this hole to investigate a leak coming from the shower directly above, and now I have to hire someone to fix this hole. A simple hack would be to install an access panel here. This 12-inch square access panel is slightly bigger than the hole that I'm trying to cover up, and I need to make that hole even bigger by cutting a square opening that this access panel can fit into. I'm going to take the door off and use it as a template to mark where I need to make the cuts. The opening needs to be slightly larger than the door because this part of the frame needs to fit inside the hole. Now I'm using an oscillating multi-tool to cut through the drywall, and you'd want to wear a mask when you do this because it's generating a lot of drywall dust. I'm going to put a link to this oscillating multi-tool in the description box because it was one of the cheapest that Amazon was selling, but it's been working well. I'm being careful not to cut too deep because I don't want to cut beyond the drywall into the wood joist. Although if you cut slightly into the wood, it's okay. I'm going to glue on this access panel frame with this liquid nails adhesive. I discovered that this Loctite PL3x premium adhesive is much better, but you don't need such a strong adhesive to glue on the access panel frame, so I'm just going to use the liquid nails adhesive here just to use up what I have, and I won't be buying it again. I let the adhesive set for a couple of days, and now I'm going to put the access panel door on. To do that, I just have to insert these pins into their correct slots on the frame. You need to first insert the pin on the right-hand corner into the hole right there. And then you slide the pin on the left-hand corner into that hole that has an indented track allowing you to slide the pin into the hole. And this is what the area looks like. You know what? I don't think the access panel looks all that out of place there.